Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Ganit. My name is Sabir Sardana. And in this video, I will be discussing with you the 5 rules that you must follow to get 99.9 plus in CAT 2021. 5 rules जो आप सब बच्चों को follow करना चाहिए CAT 2021 एग्जाम में 99.9 plus target करने। The first one is that you need to stop doubting. स्टॉप डाउटिंग योरसेल्फ। बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको इस मोमेंट पे ये डाउट हो रहा है कि वो कैट एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर कैट एग्जाम उनका अच्छे से प्रिपेयर हुआ या नहीं हुआ, क्या वो अच्छा स्कोर कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते। व्हाई? बिकॉज there are multiple reasons the students are losing the confidence at this moment. One of the reasons that I have seen is a mock score, right? And if I'm giving you a question or somebody else is giving you a question and you're not able to solve that one particular question, you're losing confidence कि यार ये question मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, that means मेरे को ये topic अच्छे से नहीं आता. Don't do that. If you are not able to do a random questions that have been given to you, whether in mocks or given to you by me or given to you by somebody else from some different material, do not doubt yourself. If your basics are right, there can be a random question which I am also not able to solve. As a question, yes, sir, I know every possible concepts of quantitative aptitude, but still I come across many questions which I'm not able to solve. Right? So at this moment, it doesn't mean that I will not be able to do an easy question of CAT. Right? तो इस मोमेंट पे आपको ये डाउट नहीं करना है, मॉक स्कोर से भी डाउट नहीं करना है. डू नॉट डाउट योरसेल्फ just because of a low score in mock papers. See that CAT is supposed to prepare one exam throughout the year, and any particular institutions who is taking mock for CAT have to prepare more than 50 tests. Now those 50 tests, all those 50 tests cannot be as relevant to the syllabus as the actual CAT paper is going to be. Actual CAT paper में जो relevancy factor आपको मिलेगा with the syllabus that you have been studying, the theory that you have been studying will not be the same as the one that you have in mock paper, right? So mock paper में there can be some random questions, some difficult questions. तो वो हर difficult question आप solve कर सको, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो that if I'm not able to solve a one particular question, that means I'm not supposed to attempt that particular chapter in actual CAT paper. If you are confident कि आपको percentages के basics आते हैं, profit loss के basics आते हैं, ज्योमेट्री के बेसिक्स आते हैं, और आपने मॉक पेपर में कोई एक हाई लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी का क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं हुआ टाइम प्रेशर में, डजंट मीन कि आपसे कैट में ज्योमेट्री के हर सारे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हो रहे. देयर वुड बी सम इजी क्वेश्चंस देयर आल्सो दैट यू विल डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू सॉल्व अगर आपने थ्योरी अच्छे से पढ़ा. सो मॉक पेपर के क्वेश्चंस की वजह से या किसी एक रैंडम डिफिकल्टी क्वेश्चन, किसी रैंडम डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन की वजह से आपको एक किसी पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लूज नहीं करना है, आपको अपनी प्रिपरेशन को डाउट नहीं करना है, राइट? Or if there are some mock papers in which you are not able to score good marks, you are not supposed to doubt yourself. Don't do that, because if you are doubting, तो फिर आपका कैट नहीं होगा, ये कंफर्म है. So at this moment, be confident, trust in the preparation that you have been doing, the trust in the material that you have been following, and just give your best at this moment, right? Doubt करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. So stop doubting yourself at this moment, right? This will seriously take you down. So the first thing that you have to do now in the last 15 days is to stop doubt yourself. Do a proper revision, right? Mock papers are there to help you understand the mistakes that you generally do while you're sitting for a paper and solving the question under time pressure. Your job in the mock paper was to observe those mistakes, work on those mistakes, and do not repeat those mistakes in actual CAT paper. This is the job of the mock paper, and that is done now. You can give one or two more mock papers because we still have more 15 days to go. But then if you're getting low marks in those, do not doubt yourself. अगर आप डाउट करोगे तो नहीं होने वाला, अगर आप डाउट नहीं करोगे then you have very good chances to get through with it, right? So stop doubting yourself. Trust the efforts that you have been putting in for your CAT exam preparation through the last 12 months or 6 months, right, that you have been preparing for CAT. Trust that preparation. Second, 50% of the paper is all you need. Everybody know that. This is something that I don't need to tell you, that nobody is getting selected by solving only 100% of the paper. 50% of the paper will also give you 99 plus percentile. And at this percentile, you'll get calls from many top B schools, right? 50% of the paper is all you need, right? There are going to be difficult questions in CAT, but you need only 50% of the paper. Do not do not try to prepare yourself for 100% of the paper. Always keep this in mind कि पूरे टेस्ट में से 50% पेपर आपको सही करना है. If you keep this in mind, right? So that means अगर आप कोई पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं हो रहा है, it doesn't mean कि उसी टॉपिक का कोई दूसरा इजी क्वेश्चन आपसे नहीं होगा. Don't doubt that, right? Because अगर प्रॉफिट लॉस के दो क्वेश्चंस आए, one question is difficult that I'm not able to solve, then you also need to look at the second question that you might able to solve, right? वो आपसे हो सकता है एग्जाम में हो जाए. So 50%, ये ध्यान रखना, 99 प्लस परसेंटाइल के 100% पेपर सॉल्व नहीं करना है. 50% of the paper is all you need to get through with the exam, right? That will give you the best top percentile. Now, it's a fact that CAT asked difficult question. Now, keep this in mind. CAT asked difficult question. It's a fact. But then they also ask the easy question. This is also a fact. I'm sure all the students who have been preparing for the CAT exam must have given last previous year CAT papers or must have solved the previous year CAT paper questions. Now, do you see difficult question in those CAT paper? Yes, there are difficult questions in CAT. But do you also see the easy questions in CAT paper? Yes, there are easy questions. So those are the easy questions that you need to target in the CAT. These are the easy questions that will get you yourself that will get you selected, right? So difficult question agar nahi ho rahe hain, no worry, guys, right? You don't have to worry on those, right? You can still get yourself selected by targeting those easy questions, right? Please keep this in mind. There are going to be difficult questions, but there are also going to be easy questions. You're supposed to leave the difficult question in the first phase. Try to first do all the easy question, and once you're done with all the easy question, then switch yourself to the difficult set of questions, right? I'm sure if you try to target easy questions, right, and you're able to solve it in the first phase, right, of your attempting while you're attempting the CAT exam, I'm sure this will really boost your confidence, and you'll be able to solve moderate and difficult questions also in the exam, right? But first, easy questions are the one that you're supposed to target. Keep this in mind, okay? Now, 120-minute CAT paper is like a 2020 cricket game. Now, when we are playing a 50-50 one-day international cricket game, right, and we are doing mistakes at the start of the game, we still have so many hours to get back in the game. But in 2020 cricket game, if you're losing the game in the first 5 to 10 hours, and if you're doing mistakes in the first 5 to 10 hours, you don't have chances to, get a high score in the last overs of the game, right? So it's very important in 2020 cricket game to have a good start. Similarly, because your paper is of 120-minute, not of 180-minute. Now, how is this relevant? It's very relevant. See that if I'm attempting a DILR section in which 60 minutes is given to me, like CAT 18 or CAT 19, and I'm selecting a wrong set in the first 15 minutes, I still have 45 more minutes in which I can easily do minimum three sets. If not four, then I'll definitely be able to solve minimum three sets. But if in a 40-minute section, if I'm doing a one set wrong, if I'm doing first set wrong, I'll be left with only 25 minutes. That means I will not be able to do three sets in that, and which will definitely not give me 99. So you don't have a chance to improve if you are doing a mistake in the initial phase. It's very important that you go with the right set of question selection, whether it's a quant section, whether it's a VARC, or whether it's a DILR. Specifically in DILR, you have to be very, very careful when it comes to the selection of questions. Selection of question is a game in CAT 2021. No matter if whether you can solve the difficult question or not, अगर एग्जाम में आपने सही क्वेश्चन जो जल्दी आपको मार्क्स दे सकते हैं, जिसमें आपके फंसने के चांसेस बहुत कम है, अगर वो क्वेश्चंस को आप फर्स्ट फेज में टारगेट करोगे तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस को इजीली कर पाओगे, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होगा, और उसी रिदम में यू माइट बी एबल टू सॉल्व सम मॉडरेट टू हाई लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी क्वेश्चन आल्सो. सो गलत सिलेक्शन क्वेश्चंस का ऑप्शन नहीं है आपके पास. यू डू नॉट हैव एनी time to improve if you get with the wrong selection of questions, right? So selection पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. So please keep this in mind while you go for the CAT exam. Selection is going to be the game changer when it comes to a 120-minute CAT exam, right? सिलेक्शन आपको गलत बिल्कुल नहीं करना है, सही क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट करने हैं, इस पे आपको कंसंट्रेशन से और आराम से ध्यान से क्वेश्चंस को अटेम्प्ट करना है। लास्ट, don't let your fear take your score down. So many students are so fearful at this moment. They're so nervous when they're going for CAT exam. Please don't go for the CAT exam with so much of nervousness, right? Don't let your fear take down your score, right? If you want to be fearful about selecting a wrong DIL upset or selecting a wrong quant questions, right? But once, if you are selecting the right questions, you need to use your energy, the knowledge, the concepts that you have learned to solve that particular question, right? But if you are solving an easy question and still you're feeling nervous that I'm giving a CAT exam and that's the only reason you're getting nervous, you are reaching nowhere then, right? Right? You need to channelize your energy and knowledge in the right direction. Do not let your fear take your score down, right? It's quite natural that if you're going for a big exam like CAT, on which your whole career is dependent, you have to be you'll have the fear, right? But then you have to face it, right? And make up the mind, train your mind that I have to give my 100%. Just because of that fear, you don't need to feel the nervousness in the exam, and do not let your score go down just because of the fear, right? Give your 100%. Use the concepts that you have learned, right, throughout the exam, throughout the year, right? Remember those efforts that you have put in the last 1 year and 6 months for your CAT exam preparation. Do not let them go in vain, right? Use your energy, everything that you have put in for your CAT exam preparation in those 120 minutes, right? You will definitely be able to score good, because difficult questions are not the one that will get you selected. You need to be fearful in doing the difficult question in the exam. But when you're doing the easy question in the exam, you need to be highly energetic, right? Highly conceptual, and you just put your best efforts when you're doing the easy questions in the CAT exam. And if you're doing the right set of questions, you will definitely get selected in CAT. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this helps you getting a good marks in CAT. Do not let your fear, right, take you down. Please keep this. I have seen a lot of students, not scoring good in CAT just because of their nervousness, right? And they are not able to recall the concepts at that moment because they're feeling so much fear when they sit for the CAT exam, right? This is the day you have prepared yourself throughout the year. So it's not time to fear, guys, right? It's time to perform. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.